When I'm with planners and suppliers, I feel like I'm home. From my days as the White House Director of Events, I learned that the most effective way to communicate a message is through great, powerful meetings. And that's what Smart Meetings Magazine is all about.
Because all of you in this room, as suppliers and planners alike, you are a part of this incredible industry. And what distinguishes all of you from the rest is that you're not just a part of it, but you're involved within it.
Coming together, not just to exchange ideas in the general sessions or in the one-on-one appointments, but throughout the entire conference. Smart Meetings gives us those opportunities to truly, as I like to call it, eat, drink, and succeed.
Because when we get together at events like Smart Meetings, we find solutions to challenges that we face, and we can share those with each other. We find about each other's successes, and we look to ways to build upon them and replicate them and partner with them to create our own.
Networking is all about creating relationships. And where can you do those best? At meetings, and especially meetings that are created with the guest in mind. You know, I have a saying that we don't host events, we host guests. And at Smart Meetings, they really do host the guest, the attendee, from the planner to supplier, not just in the sessions, which are incredible, and the one-on-one appointments, which are so productive, but also the breaks, the adventures, the dinners, because it really is 24/7. In our jobs, it's that way, and here at Smart Meetings, they give us the opportunity to network, talk about each other's challenges, and look for solutions.
Because all of you at Smart Meetings, sharing your challenges, sharing your successes means something to each other. You're sharing something with each other because you are present, and when we're present, we win.
I am passionate about professional speaking, and I love that moment on stage, giving a message that relates to and is tailored to the audience at hand, like the incredible meeting planners and suppliers here at Smart Meetings. But I absolutely love continuing the conversation beyond the stage. For me, I always come in the night before and speak the day of and stay that night as well to get really a full rounded approach with the guests. As I said, to continue that conversation, hear about their challenges and look for solutions with them, and really celebrate the successes that we find right here at Smart Meetings, and that great information we can all take into our lives, both professionally and personally, to make a difference in this incredible industry.